Hello friends, thank you for watching Peniel Ministries church page. Now this is our steps for making hair conditioner. Step 1, we first put water on boiling, then we pour it in water. After pouring it in water, we add in cetamide. We stir it until it dissolves completely. Step 3, putting ceto and GMS in a saucepan, then we put it on fire. We continue stirring it as we are cooking in order for it to make a proper solution. Our ceto and GMS has dissolved. Now it is ready to be removed on fire. We take that solution into our first basin or bucket to mix it together with the first solution. Our solution, now you can see it starts turning to white in color. Continue stirring, because when don't stir, things may go wrong. As you can see, the solution has turned into white. It's like milk or porridge. Yeah, make sure you put in some energy while you're stirring. Yeah, that our solution comes out very well. As you can see, some of our members doing it well. Now we have to put that solution back into the saucepan and we put it back on fire in order to gain some heat. As you can see, we are pouring it back. Yeah, but make sure every time you continue stirring it. Yeah, now you can see our solution is on fire. Yes, you put in more fire in order for your solution to come out very well. Now it has been heat, you remove it from fire. That's the water. Now we on that water on fire, we put it there, we reserved it for other use. Now we pour back our solution into our main container, as you can see. Now, our lessons, if you want to join us, we are always here at Peniel Ministries Church, Mukono, Nabuti Road, every Monday and Tuesday from 5 to 7 p.m. So you are most welcome to come and join us. Yeah, the ladies have failed. Now our tutor has teamed with the ladies to pour the solution into the bucket. Step 4, we add in MPS. You continue stirring. After pouring in our MPG, as I told you, you have to apply energy. Step 5, we pour in white oil into our solution. You continue stirring. The solution becomes more beautiful whatever step you take. Step 6, we pour in KDS. As you can see that lady pouring it into the bucket. Step 7, we add in glycerin. That's what helps the conditioner to be smooth, that the hair may come out very well. Now we add in perfume. You can apply any perfume of your choice, but for us, we chose lemon perfume. Yeah, on the wall, that writing there, our procedures which we've taken. Now, after adding perfume, you can see our team, but as we take that group photo, we leave it to cool. Now, after 8 hours, now you see we've come back to check what we did. After cooling and setting our conditioner, it became thick, as you can see. Now it's ready for packaging. You can join us, you can watch our whatever we do here at Peniel Ministries Church in Mukono on Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, everywhere we are there. So even you can come and visit us for our Sunday services, Fridays and Wednesdays. We are always here waiting for you. Yeah, for more information, Peniel. Thank you for